Welcome to the channel, everybody. I'm Philly P. With us today, we have the Brothers Bomb Set. I picked this up at Moapa Fireworks, you guys. I'm out here getting ready to light it up. We're going to be doing one at a time, not in this order, but hydrogen bomb, neutron bomb, atom bomb, and copal bomb. These are some Brothers classics, you guys. These are the first, I want to say, 4 cakes I ever done all together for finales. I think they're great for putting in your shows as a finale. This and like Mob Madness, another great one. Hit the road, Jack, highfalutin, we can go on for days, but Brothers makes great product. So with that, you guys, I want you guys to let me know in the comments which one of these you think is the best. Some of them are a little slower paced, but they have different effects. Some of them are really fast paced. So I'm gonna try to put them in an order where they go good. It makes sense to me, but either way you do them, they all perform great, even if you do them all together, which I highly recommend as a finale. Let's get these set up. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and burn that like button. I'm gonna get out there and get these set up. This is Cobalt Bomb. Nice, Cobalt Bomb really picked up there in the end. Neutron Bomb. Oh, we got 2 going off at the same time. Okay, that was not supposed to happen.